Start with applying the gold shade from the Twisted Forest 10-pan palette all over your lids. Work the dark brown shade in your crease and blend the green shade upwards to your brows. Draw on wing liner with the H2O-proof liquid liner. Apply breaker-proof retractable liner. Smoke out the lower lash line with the green shade and add the gold shade to the inner corners. Further define the lower lash line with H2O-proof liquid liner. Fill in your brows using the Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. Define the nose with the red shade from the Smokey paint palette and blend the white shade down the bridge of your nose. Highlight with the white shade from the Smokey paint palette. Apply Big Poppa Mascara to lashes. Trim the end of the false lashes in Mysterious, then apply the rest of the lash strips on the top lashes. Place the gold shade above the brows. Apply MegaLast Liquid Catsuit in Midnight Sky on the lips. Drip the Vampire's Dessert Fake Blood from the top of the face down the cheek.
Ghosts of our past keep on coming up the air, baby.